Guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off mirror front camera on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, scroll down and tap on Camera. Then we go to the composition section and tap on mirror front camera. So tap on the toggle button to switch it on. Now if you launch your camera app and open up your selfie camera, now this only apply after you take the photo. So here, if I capture the photo, you can see after I have taken the photos, my hand is on the right. So similar to what you see in the camera. If we switch it off and go back to the camera, you can see after I have taken a photo, my hand is now showing on the left hand side of the picture. So that is how you can mirror front camera, so save the photos as how you see it in your camera. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.